Why is it that in Python 4 times 100 is 400 evaluates to false, but 2 times 3 is 6 evaluates to true? This may seem like a bug, but it's actually not. The answer has to do with the behavior of the is keyword and pre-allocated integer objects. Let's talk about is first. Is in Python compares the identities or IDs of two objects, so the two expressions seen here are equivalent. Distinct objects have unique IDs. So if we create two integers x and y where x equals 4 times 100 and y equals 400, even though these variables share the same integer value, they're different objects and thus have different IDs. That's why the expression 4 times 100 is 400 evaluates to false. But if that's the case, then why does 2 times 3 is 6 evaluate to true? Well, 6 is a special case. According to the docs, Python pre-allocates an array of all integers from -5 to 256, and anytime an integer within this range is needed, we'll receive a reference back to the pre-allocated integer object. This is great for performance reasons, but it does mean that 2 times 3 will give us back the same object as a standalone integer 6 will, and thus they'll both have the same ID. That's why 2 times 3 is 6 evaluates to true. The key takeaway here is that using is can give unexpected results when used to compare integers. Instead, consider using the equals operator so that you actually compare integer values.